What's up? Y'all thought I was gone? Nah, watch this. We're back again with another video. Thank you guys. This is the Fortnite Travis Scott collaboration featuring a special guest, Jelly J. We'll be chopping it up today about the Travis Scott collab, the Travis Scott merge, whole Fortnite. So with that being said, I'll let him talk to y'all.
Hello guys, my name is Jelly J, and I'm using in the background the Travis Scott live event. The Scott
is the Travis Scott Reese's Puffs. There's a Travis Scott
in the front, and there's another Travis Scott in the back with the spoon in his hair. And we're checking out the Travis Scott.
What I like about the shoe is that it's olive green. It glows in the dark, has the Travis Scott facing name in the back, and not too many people wear the shoe.
So I'm back again with more Travis Scott in the Fortnite locker room. It dropped April 25th. This was the concert for 4 days on Fortnite on all systems. There were 2 bundles. They released the Diamond Pickaxe, emotes, and Travis Scott as himself. The robot version, also the Astronomical collection with 2 more characters wearing the Jordan 6s.
Stay tuned for more Jelly J videos.
No video, Jay. I appreciate that. But hey, so let's get back to it. So for y'all hypebeasts out there, yes, I did catch a few pieces. I did catch a few merchandise from that release. It did go on for a week, but pieces were selling out crazy. Pieces were going left and right, and now it's to the point people are getting their pieces in portions prior to getting their orders all in one checkout. So with that being said, Travis Scott Astronomical tee. This is one of the first things that came in, and this is definitely something that you guys want to stay in tune with and definitely pick up. Here we have Back Bling Tee. It shows all the featuring songs such as the Scots, Sicko Mode, Highest in the Room. It was a few songs on there, and it was just dope for anybody to experience. It took place in the Fortnite game. You can find on the PlayStation, the Xbox, the Switch, your phone. Kids are going crazy. Hypebeast went crazy. Everybody's been losing their mind for Fortnite, even down to a kid winning $1 million, I believe it was, just off of a tournament. So with that being said, you guys stay in tune for part 2 coming soon.
More merchandise, more heat, more updates,
and more videos with my young boy, Jelly J himself. Stay tuned, hit subscribe, and we're going to keep this growing, and we're going to keep how.